Your dishwasher should smell like a bowl of fresh lemons when you open it and the steam hits your face, but if it smells like a wet dog, you're in the right place. If it stinks and leaves your dishes dirty, this video will fix it, guaranteed. Did you know that dishwashers only fill and empty twice per cycle, once for the wash water and once for the rinse? During those cycles, the water gets pushed through a pump and its filters into the spray arms, and if those filters are clogged, your dishes are basically getting blasted with trapped gunk. This means your dishwasher becomes a giant wet bin and it absolutely stinks. And for the love of God, put down the vinegar and baking soda. If fizz cleaned, Coke would be a disinfectant. Step 1 is cleaning the filters, and if you've never cleaned them before, buckle up. Every 8 to 10 washes, my dishwasher turns from lemony fresh back to back alley bin, and the dishes come out worse than they went into it, like this guy. Your dishwasher's filters are down at the bottom, and once they get gunged up, which they will, things get grim pretty fast. Now, it's not the worst I've seen, but it is starting to smell a little bit like an old sock. So there's bits of rice and stuff stuck down in there, and once that dishwasher starts to get gunged up, see all that? The pump can't actually cycle through, and the dishes, funnily enough, don't get cleaned properly. Take all the filters out and put them in the kitchen sink. Take a photograph of them if you need to, because it's really annoying if you don't know what way they have to go back. All this down the bottom is full up of gunk as well. So I'm going to get a wet vac and clear this stuff out first, because I don't want to clean my dishwasher for this to just basically go through the pumps and filter it all back up again. No wet vac? Sort your life out. Seriously, it's the Swiss Army knife of home cleaning. If you don't have one though, use a towel and pick out the bits of crap by hand. Under the seals gets pretty gunged up, so I just got some standard kitchen degreaser and sprayed it along the bottom of it for about a 5 to 10 minute dwell whilst I scrub the filters in the kitchen sink with some dish soap. Using about the same amount of dish soap as you would for a sink full of dirty dishes, and hot water only. Hot water's more thermically reactive, meaning it shakes loose the grime better than cold water ever could, so it helps really get into the food soils that are in the filters themselves. And the dish soap also helps by breaking the surface tension of the water, allowing the soap molecule to bond with the dirt and get it out of the filters. Some toothbrushes or a dish scrub are helpful here, and even a toothpick if needs be, just to get any food residues out of the filters and get them nice and free flowing again. My degreaser has been working for 5 minutes on the seal. It wiped clean pretty quickly, and lesson learned, I'm never letting that happen again. But to be fair, it did clean up great. The rest of the seals were fairly okay, but give them a wipe to be sure, and then we are on to our spray arms. These things will ruin your life. Yeah, maybe not your life, but definitely your dinner plates. Clogged jets mean no spin. No spin means no spray. No spray means dirty dishes and angry dinner guests. Super simple to remove. Hold the cradle that it sits in underneath and rotate the arm anti-clockwise and it'll come right out into your hand. And this one, as you can see, is full of crap. I've done a more in-depth tutorial using either a wet or a dry vac for this technique, which I'll link at the end of this one. So grab a wet vac and suck out the jets. If that doesn't work, poke the stuff into the jets with a toothpick and then articulate the arm around the vacuum and boom, no more rattles, no more rogue corn kernels mocking you from inside the spray jets. Do the same for the top arm, and now it's moving on to putting the filters back. Once our filters are back in securely, we're going to do a final clean on the dishwasher, and for this we're going to use a cup of vinegar. Simply pour the vinegar into the dishwasher itself, turn it on to a normal cycle, and the vinegar is going to loosen any limescale and clean out the dishwasher internals. You can see the limescale and detergent residues in the water here. I just opened it about halfway through the cycle, so I know it's working. Now it smells like victory, or just clean, which is basically the same thing. Sanitized by the hot water, descaled by the vinegar, and no longer smells like a bin full of wet socks. That's a win.